Hello, everyone. Say hi, honey.
Hi. So this is my
First
79cc
Mason.
two-stroke motorized bicycle, and I'm still going through break-in on
You added
it. I
to
got a little
first
tiny gear on the back.
Yes.
It rides pretty good. I'm gonna show you how it takes off.
Yeah, so this is going to be shared on my channel, and I will drop his link in the description box, too. He's done a few videos with his bikes. He loves doing these. So he's going to show you how it takes off. And my child, Mason, wait, quit over talking him.
Can I get a count? Three,
Yeah.
two, one. Let's go. Go, go, go. Mom, let's run.
Y'all, and I ain't trying to run to keep up with it, but you get that idea. You'll see him come back down. Here, I'll get out a little closer. And that's how how much in total did it take you to build this? Because they're going to want me to let them know. How much?
It's like 1 hour.
Maybe 350 bucks.
About 350 bucks. And he got everything off of, I believe, Amazon Prime.
And Walmart.
And Walmart, yes.
And other places, yeah.
And other places, yeah.
Go, Daddy.
But he loves it. He's built, this would be like his third or fourth one. And he's not the one that come up with this idea or whatever. Someone did a long, long time ago. But my husband really kind of enjoys it. It's like his one little stress reliever. So, Mason, come back. My son's trying to run down there with him. So we'll see if he comes back up on it again. I don't know if he's going all the way around the block or if he's just coming down.
You'll see Dad in a minute, Mom.
Okay, he went all the way around the block. So it'll take him a minute to come back. Here's Mason. Yes, y'all, I'm out in my front yard. And I'm nowhere near around anybody, as you can see. So no, I do not have on a face mask.
And this grass is getting green. It's getting green. It's still yellow to see. I think I hear Daddy's bike. He's coming. Let's move back, Mom.
But anytime we go out in public or we got to go in stores or around other people, I always have one with me and on. So here he comes. I had asked him I wanted to record and show this. I don't know if he's doing the whole block around the block thing again. We'll have to wait and see.
Mom.
Probably so.
It took Daddy's bike. He took it an hour.
It took it an hour.
Yep, it took it an hour when he finished his bike. It was 1 hour.
Look at my yard, y'all. I'm trying to get it to come in. I'm going to put grass seed down when it gets a little bit cooler outside, but not right now.
Mommy, he's coming back to
It's
the
dead.
land. Let's come.
Oh, I hear him. Here he comes. Hold on. Here he comes.
Let's move that.
So we can get a little closer real quick. Woo! And he'll do it around. He'll bring y'all around for him. Such a fun little toy. It does go super fast. No, Mace, you gotta stay here. Lane, come back. Alrighty, y'all. Once he comes back up this last time, I'll probably go ahead and end the video and put this one up for y'all. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Check out my giveaway. It's the 450 sub giveaway. I will drop that link in the description box below as well. The rules are in there so you can enter. But be blessed, be strong. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.